Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing something different, okay? So I'm going to do an exciting series. So we'll begin with mastering this jumpsuit. So I'll drop the source of the outfit below in my description. Let's go. So we'll begin by mastering the jumpsuit, a comprehensive pattern drafting guide. And the first thing we look at is this basic pattern drafting, basic jumpsuit pattern drafting. So I'm taking it this way where we'll begin. So we have this, there are so many. So we have this like a roadmap. We have the core objective, the key components, variations, target audience, additional skills. What do we need for this pattern drafting, the jumpsuit? So let's look at the core objective. The first thing you do for drafting your pattern is you have to do your basic pattern, eliminate zipper bulge, proper body shaping, draft trouser pattern, professional back, cross curve, true dart correctly. Okay, the dart, we have to get it right. Now we move over to this, the key components. So these are the key components that we'll be looking at in this basic jumpsuit pattern. So what are the key components for making a jumpsuit? We have the bodies, the trousers, and fastening. Okay, so for the bodies, we have this sharpening. Okay, for the bodies, we have this shaping and fitting. Okay, then for the trouser, so we're done with the bodies, and we have this, the trouser, straight leg foundation, the crush curve, and the waistband. So we're done with that. Let's look at how to fasten this. So we have the zipper placement, or for those who want elastic waistband options. So you have to pick what you want when you want to fasten the outfit. So we're done with the key components. Let's look at the variations. So here are the variations. We have the palazzo style, the alternate style, overlap blazer style, maxi jumpsuit, no half-length design. So these are what you look, your variations. First, remember the key components, which is core objective, key components, and variations. So you move from this, and we are doing this. So we have beginners and fashion design students and pattern cutters. So target audience, who are you targeting? So mostly you have to think of the people you are targeting, especially if you want to create a YouTube video. These are what you look at. If you're not creating a YouTube video, you have to look at the people you want to sew for as a fashion designer. Okay, so for a beginner or a YouTube creator that wants to start how to make an outfit, these are what you look at. Am I creating this video for beginners? Am I creating it for fashion students or people who are interested in just pattern cutting? Okay, so finally, before we go, let's look at this pattern cutting, additional skills that you need for this: sewing basic and trouser construction and dart manipulation. So these are what you need in order for you to create a perfect jumpsuit. So we've come to the end of this series. Remember, I said it's mastering the jumpsuit, a comprehensive pattern drafting guide for everyone. So have a lovely day. See you in our next tutorial on mastering the art of sewing. Talk to you soon. Bye.